transforming spaces with elegant 3D wallpapers. Add a touch of luxury to your walls. Craftsmanship and style, perfectly fitted. Experience the art of living with 3D walls. Beautifully designed, expertly installed. Impeccable designs for a truly unique living experience, where innovation meets aesthetic brilliance. Our wallpapers are more than just decor. They are art, transforming homes, one wall at a time. Let your walls reflect your personality. Unleash creativity and style with our 3D wallpapers. A modern touch for the most beautiful interiors. Your dream interior is just one call away. We provide 3D wallpaper services across Bangladesh. Our own professional technicians ensure perfect fitting for every order. Contact us today to place your order and transform your space. Telephone receiver phone +880-161-172-2224 +880-192-478-9204. Round Pushpin office address K 119/C Kuril Bishwaroad. Teke Ek Duidui Bangladesh. Glow with Meridian's Facebook page facebook.com/3dviews Ltd.